Hey there friends, come sing with me. Dance and learn on Momi TV. Smiles and songs and ABCs. Let's have fun on Momi TV.
Uh-oh, it's raining on the farm. What will the animals do? Let's find out. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little piggy wants to play in the sunny barnyard way. Cow is mooing, wants to run. Jumping in the grass is fun. But the rain is pouring down, making splashes all around. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Silly cow wants to play in the sunny barnyard way. Chickens chirp and flap their wings. They can't peck or do their things. Cluck, 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 they all do say. Rain, please come some other day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Tiny chicks want to play in the sunny barnyard way. Horsey wants to trot around, but there's puddles on the ground. He can't race or chase his tail. Rainy weather makes him wail. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Happy horse wants to play in the sunny barnyard way. Clouds are drifting far away. Sun is peeking. Hooray! Rain is gone, let's shout. Yay! Now the animals can play. Rain, rain went away. Left the farm to laugh and play. Ducks can splash and sheep can bath. All is bright, hurrah, hurrah. Now the sun is shining bright. Let's go dance with all the animals.
Thanks for watching. Time to go. See you soon.